Welcome back. It is possible to cure malaria disease with the right combination of the prescribed medicines and home remedies. Let's discuss the best home remedies for malaria treatment. Apple cider vinegar. You will need half a cup apple cider vinegar, 2 to 3 glasses water, 2 soft cloths or tea towels. What you have to do: dilute the ACV with water and soak the cloth pieces in it. Place these on the calves for 10 to 12 minutes. How often you should do this? Do this during the fever stage of the malaria attack. Why this works? This a folk remedy that is known to reduce fever. Ginger. You will need 1-inch piece of ginger, 1 to 1.5 cups of water. What you have to do: chop the ginger and boil the pieces in water for a few minutes. Strain and drink this decoction once it cools down a little. You can add some honey for taste. How often you should do this? Drink 1 to 2 cups of this every day. Why this works? The active constituents of ginger, like gingerol, possess antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. This remedy can give you relief from the pains as well as nausea, as ginger aids digestion. Cinnamon. You will need 1 teaspoon coarse cinnamon powder, a pinch of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon honey, a glass of water. What you have to do: boil the cinnamon powder and pepper powder in water for a few minutes. Strain and add honey to it. Mix well and drink this. How often you should do this? Consume this once or twice a day. Why this works? Cinnamon is also an effective home remedy to treat malaria symptoms. The cinnamaldehyde, procyanidins, and catechins present in cinnamon have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. Orange juice. What you have to do: drink orange juice in between meals. How often you should do this? Have 2 to 3 glasses of fresh juice every day. Why this works? With its roots in naturopathy medicine, this remedy might be effective in reducing the fever because of the high vitamin C content of oranges. Vitamin C boosts the immune system. Herbal tea. You will need 1 green tea bag, a small piece of tamarind, a cup of hot water. What you have to do: soak the green tea bag and the tamarind in hot water for a few minutes. Remove the tea bag. Strain the herbal tea prepared and drink it. How often you should do this? Have 2 cups of this herbal tea every day. Why this works? The antioxidants in green tea strengthen your immune system, while the tamarind helps reduce the fever. Turmeric. You will need 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, a glass of warm milk. What you have to do: add the turmeric to the milk and mix well. Have this before going to bed. How often you should do this? Drink this every night. Why this works? Turmeric is a powerful antioxidant and antimicrobial agent. It cleanses the body of the toxins that are building up because of the Plasmodium infection and also helps to kill the parasite. Turmeric also has anti-inflammatory properties that can alleviate malaria symptoms like muscle aches and joint pain. It is very important to understand that none of these remedies will eliminate the parasite from your body. The medicines prescribed by your doctor are necessary to do that. However, these remedies can alleviate the symptoms, giving relief from the fever, pains, and aches, and aid the parasite-killing process of the medicines. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe.